Okay, this is Weather Outlook. This is your forecast period between September 4th and 7th. I'm doing this on Thursday the 4th around 3 o'clock. This is for southeastern PA, New Jersey, and Delaware. So we got some precipitation coming through. Now, this afternoon, the temperatures got warmed up a lot. It's the head of the front. This is what it would be, around 2, 3 o'clock, and you can see some mid 80s out there. I know where I'm at, it shows 80 up there, but I'm telling you, it's closer to the mid 80s around 3 o'clock. And you can see as we move this forward just a little bit, you can see here's the line right here. And that's where the rain and the thunderstorms are at. And so you can go from 85 in Philadelphia to 64 heading out towards Lebanon and out that way as we go through the afternoon. This would be around 4 o'clock when this is happening, and you can see that the temperatures are still trying to hang on into the 80s here in eastern PA. That this is around 4 o'clock, and you can see the line now is going through Lancaster, Reading, and that way, and starting to work its way across. And the temperatures, if you're going to see the difference in the temperatures that the rain and the front make. Um, right there, you can go from 60 to there. Here's where the precipitation is at, and there it is right there. Now this is around 5 o'clock, and you can see it's just getting into Reading right there, and you're going to see it move across slowly. Here's Allentown now getting into the action a little bit. Reading is definitely under the gun right there. I'll take this out to around 7 o'clock. You can see it's getting close. It's just about hitting Wilmington, Doylestown, and it's just not quite to Philadelphia yet. But you can see some heavier storms down here towards Baltimore that are going to work their way across Delaware as they can. And as you can see here, this is around 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock, 10 o'clock, 11 o'clock, and it moves off. And this has a little bit hanging back over South Jersey and into the Dover, Delaware area at this time. This is again 11 o'clock, and then 12, and then it's gone. But it's behind it, there's some clouds, and it could be a sprinkler too as you get into the morning hours. Now, this is Friday morning when you're probably getting yourself together and go to work or on your way. As you can see, temperatures are basically in the 60s. There's a few areas where temperatures can get down into the upper 50s to the northwest in general, but it's basically in the 60s. And then as we go through the day on Friday, we can see it warms up a little bit. Look at this. This is really something. It goes from the rain showers to mid 80s, and I wouldn't doubt a couple of upper 80s. If you look down towards Wilmington, it's 88, Philadelphia 88. So there's some warm temperatures. Try to sneak in. I'm heading up towards, again, toward the north and west. Temperatures are 70s to right around 80 degrees then. And Saturday, it's another warm day. Temperatures again, mid 80s to upper 80s in a lot of areas. Um, and that's, pretty good coverage. But again, we do have some rain that's going to work its back into the picture Saturday night. Now, this is in the afternoon. You can see a couple of thunderstorms are breaking out in Lower Poconos over here by Allentown. So things aren't done yet when it comes to the precipitation. Unfortunately, Saturday's hot temperatures also bring a chance of scattered thunderstorms, and you can see it's not a straight line, but there is a line where they will, um, form at, and then they move off in some showers as we go through the nighttime hours. They move off to the east, and then you can see, pretty much off and on showers on Saturday night if you're planning anything, and into Sunday morning, and then as we go through the day on Sunday. Yeah, we're not out of the woods yet. We still got some showers. This is around 9 o'clock in the morning. You can see still got some showers. And then there's a steady stream of rain that'll come across Delaware, southeastern PA into New Jersey during the afternoon. This is around 12 o'clock as it comes through. And this takes you into the afternoon. So you can see it's going to be a cloudy, rainy day for the most. If you're up towards Reading and Allentown, it won't be, but mostly to the south, you'll see that. And it affects the temperatures, as you would guess. Um, this is, yeah, they're back out of the upper 80s and they're back down into the upper 60s to lower 70s. All right, everybody, take care and be safe out there.